Today, we're going to build a clone turbo tank using 17 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
You'll notice I have my pieces lined up this time. Usually I just have a pile of pieces and we put them together to create that micro build together. But this time I have them lined up because I spent a lot of time, in fact more time than I like to admit, just figuring out the right color pattern to make it look the best. And I just, that's just kind of how much thought I put into these micro builds. And anyway, the reason I had to do this is because it's actually a very subtle difference, because this is the light bluish gray and the old light gray color. So this is not a dark bluish gray or the dark light bluish gray. It's actually the old light gray with the newer light bluish gray pieces. And like I said, I spent a lot of time just trying to make this look just right, to look just like that Juggernaut we see on the screen or on the pages of our Star Wars stories. So we're gonna start putting together now, paying attention to the light bluish gray versus light gray, but you can use whatever colors you want. Now I'm going to start with this minifigure neck bracket in light bluish gray, and the stud on that little bracket area is going to go on top, and the area that has the minifigure's neck, that's going to be the front of my Juggernaut. Now the next piece I'm going to grab is going to be a 1x1 plate with the horizontal grip, and they're all going to be clips with the horizontal grip. So I'm going to put that light gray stud into the neck hole of that bracket piece, and there's the front and first piece of my Juggernaut. Now next I'm going to get a light bluish gray 1x1 plate, put that on the back of my clip piece. Then I'm going to get a light bluish gray 1x1 plate with horizontal clip, put it on the back. And now when you look at the Juggernaut, there's like that little center section that gives it a little more movement, so it's not just this solid brick. And to create that little like thinner area, I'm getting a 1x1 round plate in this metallic gray color because I wanted that much darker. So put that onto the clip plate. Next, I'm going to get another 1x1 plate with horizontal clip and put that in light bluish gray onto my 1x1 round plate. A light bluish gray 1x1 plate. A light gray 1x1 plate clip. Then the next piece is actually going to be this 1x1, 1x1 bracket piece. And what I want to do is I'm going to put that bracket piece so that the stud on the thicker end goes into that 1x1 plate with the clip. And that front stud that's got the smaller thin area, the bracket, is going to be facing the top. Now I'm going to get another 1x1 plate with clip in this light gray color. Put it on, and as you can see, there's still a little bit of an overhang, so I need to get a little more length to my clone turbo tank. So I'm gonna get one more 1x1 plate in light bluish gray and put that on. There's the body of my tank. Now, to create the wheels, I'm gonna grab 5 of these minifigure lightsaber hilts. And so I'm going to put all 5 of those minifigure lightsaber hilts into the bottom and centered of those clips like this. And this is going to be the wheels to my Juggernaut. So after I get all 5 of them in there, the last piece I have for this Juggernaut is that large antenna on the back. And to create that large antenna, I'm going to grab a 3L bar in this light bluish gray and just put it onto that kind of the indent of the stud of my bracket plate in back. And here is my Juggernaut in micro form. Look at those beautiful, beautiful colors.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.